So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And in this video, we are going to talk about the major confusion. Like many of you are worried that your July points are not added. Will it be not added in the arcade program, or it is just a waste of time? Or what are the progress reports? Why we have two progress reports, the Arcade Insider and the Arcade Facilitator progress report? Why I am not receiving any progress report? And one more important thing is that why the insider email I haven't got. I already subscribed in the arcade. Still, I have not got the email. What are the criteria for getting the email? All these queries will be covered in this video. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. So basically, you must be aware regarding the arcade program. So basically, the arcade program runs from July till December. Basically, I'm talking about the cohort 2 specifically. So it will be running from July till December, and many of you have completed the July games already and worried that your progress is not being reflected over there. Another important thing is that many of you have participated in the Arcade Facilitator program. There also the progress report is showing something basically incorrect. So we'll cover that too also. Now, first thing is the most important thing. You need to come to the Arcade homepage and click on this subscribe here. Then you will be redirected to this particular form. Now, in case you haven't filled this form, hurry up, fill the form. Basically, here you have to say share your cloud skills boost linked email id. You have to just share it and just submit it. Once you are submitted, you are eligible for the prizes. Okay, this is the first thing you need to do. After making your public profile public and cloud skills boost account creation, you have to just subscribe to arcade, and then it will be make you eligible for the prizes. Okay, so now once you are done with this, you'll receive this kind of email, Arcade Insider. So many of you have got this Arcade Insider. It contains all the data up to July only. So in case you have completed the game in August, it won't be shown over here. And even if you have subscribed the Arcade Insider in basically the arcade subscription, which I have shown in this form, then also you won't be getting this email. Basically, this email is sent once you subscribed, and if the deadline is passed, you'll receive this in next month. For example, if you subscribe in 4th of August, you'll be receiving around in September, any time when the Arcade Insider emails were out. So no need to worry about it. And regarding the Arcade Facilitator progress report, if you have subscribed to the Arcade program, basically Arcade Facilitator enrollment form, if you have filled, then you'll be receiving the progress report like how many Laffy courses you have done, and how many skill batches we have done. Let me show you a demo also. So basically this is for Arcade Insider. Here you can see that you have won so far impressive 12 arcade points, and here it will show all the points. It will show points not by basically the fragment section, like you have earned 2 points from skill badges, 4 points from trivia, and 4 points from arcade games. Like this it won't show. It will show total points. Okay, so the Arcade Insider shows total points, and it will be combined one. Currently, once the Arcade Facilitator program ends, your combined bonus points will be added. Till now, you'll be seeing only the normal arcade points, not the combined bonus points. It will be mentioned on the email also that the combined points are shared. So basically, here you can see all the details are mentioned over here. Let me show you. I think here they have mentioned yes. So basically, they have clearly mentioned that the progress report is consist of all the points from 7th of July and reflects till 31st of July. So all the points reflect space. Basically, it means that whatever games you have done between this timeline, it will be mentioned only that. And if you completed any games, suppose basically on 1st of August there was no any games launched, but the I think the deadline one was increased for July games. So if you completed any games in basically on 1st of August or 2nd of August, even on 4th of August, it won't be shown on this report. Okay. When you get the another insider email in the next month, you'll be receiving the report on that email. So this is basically the Arcade Insider. It contains your records from starting month till the end month. I hope it clears your doubt. It starts from July and will be ending on December. So all the points will be reflected over here. Like if you earn more 12 points in the August month, it will show 24 in the next insider email. It will just add up like a pile. Okay, file, or you can say. So this is the Arcade Insider email. Also, it contains all the information like about the new games, basically their hands-on practices, and basically their details. Now here in the arcade progress report, basically facilitator progress report, your name will be mentioned over here, and here are some basically all the basic details like you have to complete the arcade games and trivia first. In case you haven't completed it, hurry up. I have shared the master sheet also on my community page. I think if I haven't shared, I'll share it. You can join the Telegram channel and check it. All the playlists are available over here. Complete as soon as possible. Another important thing is that here you can see if you have selected the facilitator team, stay in touch, you will get an email. Basically, all the details like who is the facilitator, all the LinkedIn details will be shared on that email only. Basically, on your progress report. So if you have used the code you shared by us, you can just message me on Telegram. I will connect you to the facilitator. Also, I have seen that the facilitator was emailing every participant, so you can check it. Now, here basically is the progress report thing. So basically, unlike the insider email, as we said, that here the total points will be shown over here. But in the Arcade Facilitator program, it will show up patch-wise metrics. Basically, how many games you have done, how many trivia games you have done, how many skill badges you have done, and the most importantly, the lab free courses and the milestone. Like milestone, if you don't know about the milestone, let me show you. This is the sheet. First of all, let me show the sheet also, and let me open the Arcade Facilitator homepage also. So basically, this is our sheet. Okay, here all the Laffy courses, skill badges, and the arcade games playlist are already over here, available over here. I'll share the master sheet also in the description. You can check it out and complete as soon as possible. Another important thing is here. Basically, you have seen this email. So they have mentioned the milestone on lab free courses, skill badges completion. All these things are mentioned over here. Okay, wait till the page is loading. One more important thing, if you want to view directly from the playlist also, you can just come to the playlist section, and from here you can see, let me show you the playlist. It is available over here only. So here is the cohort 2 guide. I think so. Here was the, yes, here is the playlist. So it's taking some time. Here you can see what is the progress milestone, how to understand it, and basically the lab solutions details, and basically the complete guideline from the arcade. And here is the pre-assessment skill badges, how to complete one lab. But just by doing one lab, you get one skill badge. So it will help you to earn basically more milestone and reach the top tier easily. Another important thing is that how to redeem the Qwiklabs credits. You can watch it. If you have participated, you can just check it how to redeem the credits, because we are getting 600 free credits. Another important thing is that yes, all the things are mentioned already over here. So basically, here all these things are available over here. So if you want to make your public profile public, you can watch this video. If you want to understand the lab limits also, you can check this video. All these things are mentioned over here. Now for lab limits, I'll make updated video too. So just stay tuned. And now the enrollment forms are closed, so you cannot enroll in the program. So if you have already enrolled, you can just participate it. Now here one thing is completed and all things are available over here. So this was basically the progress report. Here all the games completion, trivia completion, all things are mentioned over here. And when you come in the Arcade Facilitator point system page, you can also explore the point system. And if you want to understand regarding the point system, I have already covered the point system also, I think so. Here's the video, I think so. Let me see. And if the video is not showing here, I will link the video in the description. Do not worry about it. How to basically the point system. You can watch this zero to hero guide also. And let me first of all explore the playlist also. Okay. So here I will update it. Do not worry about it. The video will be live. Now here is the point system. Come over here. So here you can see how many trivia games you complete. They will get 2 bonus points. Similarly, if you come on to complete milestone 2, you complete all these games, and the lab free courses. Lab free courses are also available over here. Just see, here is the lab free courses sheet. All the videos and tutorials are available over here. Complete it as soon as possible, and here you can just check it out. So once you complete all these things, here all the metrics will be updated, and suppose you are in the milestone 2, it will show milestone 2. And then one more important thing is that many of you are asking only the badge you have completed after August are counted for the facilitator program. Like if you have done July game, it will be counted in arcade program separately. For eligible of the bonus points which are mentioned over here, you need to complete the games from 4th of August till 6th of October. Okay, that's all clears your doubt. I hope this clears your doubt, and that's all about this video. Basically, thank you guys. Have a great day.